Hi children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at home with your parents. Today we are going to discuss Chapter 1 Incredible India. Children, we know we already discussed Chapter 1. In Chapter 1, we discussed location and size, neighboring countries of India. In this video, we will discuss political division and physiographic division. Okay, children, let's discuss the previous video. Children, we know which is our country? Yes, India. Where is our country located? Yes, Asia. So, which is our continent? Asia. So, Asia is our continent. Do you know, children? Asia is the largest continent in the world compared to others. Yes. So which is the largest continent in the world? Asia. In area wise, Asia is the largest continent in the world. Children, how many continents in the world? 7 continents. How many continents in the world? 7 continents. What are they? Yes, Africa, South America, North America, Australia, Antarctica, Asia, and Europe. So, in these 7, Asia is one of the largest continent in the world in area wise. So, which is the second largest continent in the world? Which is the second largest continent in the world? Yes, Africa. So, which is the second largest continent in the world? Africa. So, which is the largest continent in the world? Asia. So, after Asia, the Africa is the second largest continent in the world. Okay, children. Now we discuss India. We know our India is one of the amazing country. Why we call our country is amazing? Because they have different types of landforms, seasons, climates and natural resources are there. So our country we call incredible India. At the same time, it we can call a splendor of the magnificent. Splendor of the magnificent. Do you know our country is the 7th largest country in the world? So our country, India is 7th largest country in the world. At the same time, second populated country in the world after China. So, 7th largest country in the world, at the same time, second largest populated country in the world after China. So, which is the largest populated country in the world? China. After China, our India is the second largest populated country in the world. We know our India is they have a more than different types of landforms like rivers, oceans, valleys, mountains, plateaus, forest, desert like. So we call our India is a splendor of the magnificent. Location and size. We know our India is located on the Asia. So which is our continent? Asia continent. In Asia is the 7th largest continent in the world. Which is the second largest continent in the world? Africa. In India, if you are taking the distance means north to south, that means Jammu and Kashmir to Tamil Nadu, the distance is 3200 km. And east to west, that means Arunachal Pradesh to Gujarat, the distance is a 3000 km. Yes, children. At the same time, our South India we call a peninsula. What do you mean by the word peninsula? Yes, the piece of a land surrounded by water on 3 sides is called a peninsula. So, our South India we can call a peninsula. Why? Because our South India is surrounded by water. East, Bay of Bengal, West, Arabian Sea and South Indian Ocean. So these three sides is surrounded by water. That's only our South India is called a peninsula. Next, neighboring countries. Children, who are neighbors? People who live near our house, we call our neighbors. People who live near our house, we call our neighbors. Like that, our India shares its boundary with some other countries. So, our India shares its boundaries with some other countries. So, that countries we call our neighboring countries. So, that countries we call our neighboring countries. Yes. So, who shares the boundaries with our countries we call a neighboring countries. And we know our neighboring countries. There are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, and Bangladesh. These are our neighboring countries. That means these countries share the boundaries with India. Like that, some other islands also shares our boundaries. That means water boundaries. These are Maldives, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and Thailand. Maldives, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, and Thailand. These are our neighboring countries. Okay, children. Today we will move to political division. What is it? Political division. What do you mean by the word political? Political means it's relating to the government. Yes, it is related to the government. That's only we can call a political. Okay. Now we are moving to our India political division. Yes, India is politically divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. So, our India, like our house, we have to divide different rooms for different purposes. Like that, our India also is a divided 8. Okay, children, let's discuss political division. Political divisions. What do you mean by the word political? Political means is related to the government. Is related to the government. Okay, children, our India is divided states and union territories. Do you know we have 28 states and 8 union territories are there. Before 31st October 2019, we have 29 states. We have 29 states. But after 31st October 2019, we have 28 states and 8 union territories. So, India is politically divided 28 states and 8 union territories. 28 states and 8 union territories at present. Children, in our book, it mistake. So we have to correct her. We have a 28 states and 8 union territories. Yes. How our house is divided into different rooms. Kitchen, living room, study room, bedroom, bathroom, like that. Our India also divided different types of states and union territories. So our India is divided different types of states and union territories. In states, the states also divided like a district. States also divided a district. Yes. So our India is divided 28 states and 8 union territories. So how many states in our India? 28 states. How many union territories are there? 8. So totally we have 28 states and 8 union territories. 31st October 2019, the Jammu and Kashmir, the states of Jammu and Kashmir is divided to the two union territories. The name is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So children, 31st October 2019, Jammu and Kashmir divided two union territories. So the Jammu and Kashmir states is divided to the two union territories. The name of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So children, what are the 28 states? We know very well we have a 28 states. There are Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. There are 28 states and 8 union territories. So children, we have 28 states and 8 union territories. 31st October 2019, the Jammu and Kashmir, the states of Jammu and Kashmir is divided to the two union territories. The name is Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So children, 31st October 2019, Jammu and Kashmir divided two union territories. So the Jammu and Kashmir states is divided to the two union territories. The name of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. So children, what are the 28 states? We know very well we have a 28 states. There are Andhra Pradesh, Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Goa, Gujarat, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Odisha, Punjab, Rajasthan, Sikkim, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, Tripura, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, West Bengal. There are 28 states and 8 union territories. So children, we have 28 states and 8 union territories. We have 8 union territories. There are Andaman and Nicobar, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Third one Chandigarh. Fourth one Delhi. Fifth one Jammu and Kashmir. Sixth one Lakshadweep. Seventh one Puducherry. Ninth one Ladakh. So children, here Dadra and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu, the both also we have to say one union territories because of the size, the area. Yes, so now at present we have 28 states and 8 union territories. Children, we know we divided our India is a states and union territories. Why we have to divide our states and union territories? Because we cannot manage the whole our country. That's only we have to divide our country states and union territories. Yes, because we want to separate the administration. Yes, we want to manage each and everything. Example, in our school, we have a more than classes are there, like our states. Still, we have a separate class teacher, leaders, like we are giving different name. Each person have a separate manage. That means each person they have a different duties. Now only is easy for to understand the everything. We never make a mistake. That's only we divided our India like a states and union territories. Inside the states we have to divide like a district, Daluka and village. Yes, because of the management. So children, we have to divide our country, states and union territory because of the administration. Without any mistake, we want to protect our people. Yes, that's only we have to divide our country is states and union territories. Like each class, we have a class teacher. Like our states also have a capital. Yes, what is it? Capital means the city or town that functions as the seat of government and administrative center of a country. Administrative center of a country. Here, our India is capital. So each state also have a capital, like our country also have a capital. So which is our capital? Yes, New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. New Delhi is the capital of India. So the office of the central government are based in New Delhi. So mostly the central government office is present on a New Delhi. Yes, the head office is in a New Delhi. Moreover, each state has its own government that takes care of the welfare and progress of the people of its state. Which is the capital of India? Yes, New Delhi. New Delhi is the capital of India. So, our country have a capital. Like our state also have a capital. The office of the state governments are based on the capital city of the state. Children, what do you mean by the word state and union territories? We know India is one of the largest country in the world and the administrative powers, responsibilities of the country. So, we are divided among central government and various units in the form of states and union territories. Children, what is the difference between state and union territories? A state. State is a division under Indian constituency which has separate government. So states are explained as the administrative unit that has its elected government which has the right to frame its laws. So each state have the separate government. So states also each and every states have a separate government. So who choose our head? Yes, our people. So by the election we choose our leader. So who is the head of the state? Who is the head of the state? Yes, governor. So, who is the head of the state? Governor. The governor acts as representative of the president in states. So, the governor acts as representative of the president in states. So, who is the head of the government in India? Who is the head of the government? Yes, the president. Who is the head of the government? The president. Who is the head of the state? Governor. Who is the head of the state? Governor. Union territories. Union territories. Union territories refers to those territories that are too small to be independent or are too different, like economically, culturally, yes, to be merged with the surrounding states, or financially weak, otherwise politically unstable. So, due to the reason They could not survive as separate administrative units and need to be administered by the union government. So, union territories are ruled directly by the central government. At the same time, state government is ruled people who choose the head. So, union territories is directly ruled by the central government. At the same time, the state government have a separate rules, the separate government elected by the people. In India, Rajasthan is the largest state while Goa is the smallest state in area wise. So, which is the largest state in India? Yes, Rajasthan. Which is the largest state? Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state while Goa is the smallest state. While Goa is the smallest state. The largest state is Rajasthan. At the same time, smallest state is the Goa. So, children, we know our India is divided different states. Each state have unique culture, dress, language, food, etc. So each and every state have a different types of culture, dress, language, food, habits, etc. In spite of these differences, all Indians are united by the love they share for their country. Our India have a different types of languages, religions, everything are there. Still, we are Indians. We are Indians. Yes, all Indians are united by the love they share for their country. Which is the largest union territories in India? Yes, Andaman Nicobar. Andaman Nicobar is the largest union territories. At the same time, Lakshadweep is the smallest union territories. Lakshadweep is the smallest union territories. So, which is the largest state in India? Rajasthan. Smallest state in India? Goa. Largest union territories in India? Andaman and the Nicobar. Smallest union territories? Lakshadweep. Yes. So children is a union territory means central. Union means what? Central government. Territory means land. So union territory is directly controlled by the central government. Union means central government. Yes. Is directly under the control of central government. So state government is choose the leader elected by the people. Next, physiographic divisions. The physiographic division we have to call physical divisions also. So, physiographic divisions or physical divisions, the both also the same. Children, we know our country is the incredible India because of the different types of landforms, seasons, climate, and natural resources are there. So, our India we call a incredible India. We know now India is a land that possesses a wide variety of landforms. So, in our India we have a different landforms are there like mountains, hills, plateaus, plains, deserts, island, etc. India can be divided into the following physiographic divisions. According to the landforms, our India, we have to divide a type that means physiographic divisions. So, we have 6 physiographic divisions in India. According to the shape, the physical, that means the outside appearance. Yes, the touch. So, the physical means is the outside, the shape. Yes. So, our India, we have 6 physiographic divisions. There are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert, the southern plateaus, the coastal plains, and the islands. The northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert, the southern plateaus, the coastal plains, and the islands. So, how many physiographic divisions are there in India? 6. How many physiographic divisions are there in India? 6. There are the northern mountains, the northern plains, the great Indian desert, the southern plateaus, the coastal plains, and the islands. Children, let's discuss our worksheet. Yes. First Roman. Choose the best answer. Choose the best answer. Question number 1. What is India's capital city? What is India's capital city? Option A, Hyderabad. Option B, Mumbai. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Visakhapatnam. Option A, Hyderabad. Option B, Mumbai. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Visakhapatnam. Children, what do you mean by the capital city? The city or town that functions as the seat of government and administrative center of a country. So, the city or town that functions as the seat of government or administrative center of a country. That is, we can call capital city. Here we have 4 cities are there. In that, option C, New Delhi is our India's capital city. So, which is the India's capital city? Yes, option C, New Delhi. Question number 2. What mountain range lies in northeast of India? What mountain range lies in northeast of India? Option A, Appalachians. Option B, Himalaya. Option C, Indus. Option D, Sierra Madre. Option A, Appalachians. Option B, Himalaya. Option C, Indus. Option D, Sierra Madre. Children, we know the north side is located the land area. So, in the northeast, which mountain is located? Yes, option B, Himalaya. So, the answer is option B, Himalaya. What mountain range lies in northeast of India? Option B, Himalaya. Third one. What body of water lies southeast of India? What body of water lies southeast of India? Option A, Arabian Sea. Option B, Bay of Bengal. Option C, Indus River. Option D, Lakshadweep Sea. Option A, Arabian Sea. Option B, Bay of Bengal. Option C, Indus River. Option D, Lakshadweep Sea. Children, we know our South India is surrounded by water bodies. Which water body is located southeast of India? The answer is option B, Bay of Bengal. What body of water lies southeast of India? Yes, option B, Bay of Bengal. Fourth one. Which of the following countries does not border with India? Which of the following countries does not border with India? Option A, Afghanistan. Option B, China. Option C, Nepal. Option D, France. Option A, Afghanistan. Option B, China. Option C, Nepal. Option D, France. Children, we know our neighboring countries. There are Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. There are our neighboring countries. Now you can see which of the following countries does not border with India. Yes, option D, France. So the answer is option D, France. Fifth one. Name the continent in which India is located. Name the continent in which India is located. Option A, Europe. Option B, Asia. Option C, Africa. Option D, North America. Option A, Europe. Option B, Asia. Option C, Africa. Option D, North America. So, our India is located in Asia. Yes, so the answer is option B, Asia. Sixth one. Which is the seventh largest country in the world? Which is the seventh largest country in the world? Option A, Australia. Option B, Brazil. Option C, India. Option D, Canada. Option A, Australia. Option B, Brazil. Option C, India. Option D, Canada. The answer is option C, India. The answer is option C, India. So, which is the seventh largest country in the world? Yes, option C, India. Seventh one. Which is the second most populated country in the world? Which is the second most populated country in the world? Option A, India. Option B, China. Option C, Indonesia. Option D, Pakistan. Option A, India. Option B, China. Option C, Indonesia. Option D, Pakistan. The answer is option A, India. So, India is second most populated country in the world after China. So, the China is the most populated country in the world. So, second most populated country in the world is India. Children, let's discuss fill in the blank with the help box. Question number 1. Our country divided into dash states and dash union territories. Our country divided into dash states and dash union territories. The answer is 28 states and 8 union territories. The answer is 28 states, 8 union territories. Second one. Dash is the head of the states. Dash is the head of the state. Governor is the head of the state. So the answer is the governor. So who is the head of the state? Yes, the governor is the head of the state. Third one. India is a large country in terms of dash and dash. India is a large country in terms of dash and dash. The answer is area and population. Children, we know India is the seventh largest country in the world in area wise, at the same time second populated country in the world. So the answer is area and population. India is large country in terms of area and population. Fourth one. India is located in the dash part of continent of Asia? India is located in the dash part of continent of Asia. The answer is southern part. The answer is southern part. So our India is located in South Asia. India is located in the dash part of continent of Asia. The answer is southern. Fifth one. The dash is the first citizen of our country. The dash is the first citizen of our country. The answer is president. The answer is president. So the dash is the first citizen of our country. Yes, president. Okay, children. Let's discuss Roman letter 3. Answer in one word. Roman letter 3. Answer in one word. Question number 1. What is the distance between Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari? What is the distance between Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari? The answer is 3200 kilometer. The answer is 3200 kilometer. That means our North India to South India. Yes, Jammu and Kashmir to Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. The distance is 3200 kilometer. Question number 2. In area wise, which is the largest state in India? In area wise, which is the largest state in India? Rajasthan. The answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan is the largest state in India. Third one. Which is the smallest union territory in India? Which is the smallest union territory in India? The answer is Lakshadweep. The answer is Lakshadweep. So, Lakshadweep is the smallest union territory in India. Fourth one. How many countries have border with India? How many countries have border with India? The answer is 7. The answer is 7. Children, here we are asking the land area. So, the land area, that means in the north side we have 7 countries. The 7 countries are our neighboring countries. Okay. How many countries have border with India? 7. Fifth one. What are the countries share water borders with India? What are the countries share water borders with India? There are more islands are there. Here we are writing any one. Now I am choosing Sri Lanka. What is the answer? Sri Lanka. So what are the countries share water borders with India? Sri Lanka. Okay children, let's discuss Roman letter 4. Write whether the following statements are true or false. Question number 1. Goa is the smallest state in India. Goa is the smallest state in India. The answer is true. The answer is true. Question number 2. Indian Ocean is located in east of India. Indian Ocean is located in east of India. The answer is false. The answer is false because Indian Ocean is located in south. Indian Ocean is located in south. Third one. Southern part of India is surrounded by water. Southern part of India is surrounded by water. The answer is true. The answer is true. Fourth one. The union territories are controlled directly by central government of India. The union territories are controlled directly by central government of India. The answer is true. The answer is true. Let's discuss Roman letter 5. Match the following. Question number 1. The Great Himalaya. The Great Himalaya. Children, where is Himalaya is located? North. So the Great Himalaya, the answer is north. Second one. The Bay of Bengal. The Bay of Bengal. The answer is east. The answer is east. Bay of Bengal is located on east side. Third one. The Arabian Sea. The Arabian Sea. The answer is west. The answer is west. Fourth one. The President. The President. Head of the government. Head of the government. Who is the head of the government? Yes, the President. Fifth one. The Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean. It is located in south. So the answer is south. The answer is south. Sixth one. The Peninsula Plateau. The Peninsula Plateau. The answer is triangular in shape. Triangular in shape. Seventh one. Head of the state. Head of the state. The answer is governor. The answer is governor. Let's see Roman letter 6. Look at the world map and find the India. Look at the world map and find the India. Children, where is our India located? Our India is located in southern part of Asia. Our India is located in southern part of Asia. So, where is our India? Yes, the southern part of Asia.